Today we're diving into the best recipe apps for Android that can elevate your cooking game. Whether you're a baking enthusiast or simply looking for quick ideas, there's something for everyone. Let's get started. Cake Recipes. The Cake Recipes app is a fantastic resource for baking enthusiasts who want to try their hand at creating delicious cakes. This app features a wide variety of cake recipes, ranging from classic favorites like chocolate and vanilla to creative innovations like fruit cakes and themed cakes for special occasions. Each recipe comes with clear, step-by-step instructions, along with cooking times and serving sizes. The app may also include tips for decorating and customizing cakes, making it suitable for both novice bakers and seasoned professionals. With its user-friendly interface and extensive collection, the Cake Recipes app is perfect for anyone looking to indulge their sweet tooth. Crockpot Recipes. Crockpot Recipes is an ideal app for busy individuals and families looking to enjoy home-cooked meals with minimal effort. This app offers a diverse selection of slow cooker recipes that are easy to follow and designed to maximize flavor while saving time. Users can browse through various categories, such as soups, stews, casseroles, and desserts, ensuring there's something for everyone. Each recipe includes cooking times, prep methods, and tips for successful slow cooking. The app's ability to allow users to set reminders and save their favorite recipes makes it a convenient tool for meal planning. With Crockpot Recipes, you can enjoy delicious, hearty meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Salad Recipes. The Salad Recipes app is perfect for health-conscious individuals looking to incorporate more fresh ingredients into their diets. This app features a rich collection of salad recipes that range from simple green salads to gourmet creations that include grains, proteins, and delightful dressings. Each recipe is designed to be nutritious and flavorful, providing options for various dietary preferences, including vegetarian and vegan choices. Users can easily explore different ingredients and combinations, with clear instructions and preparation times provided for each recipe. With its focus on fresh, healthy eating, the Salad Recipes app is a great resource for anyone wanting to enjoy light and refreshing meals. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the Cake Recipes, Crockpot Recipes, and Salad Recipes apps inspires you to get creative in the kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking.